later. I tried to call Aisha, but her phone is fucking dead. Oh, whatever, I'll try again later. I'll call this twink instead.
I'm dirty on the dance floor, getting rowdy like Xena. I'm off 3 lines and I have the blood, bitch, you can keep the Tina. I'm just trying to suck some dick, trying to pop my little titties. Then I get a text from Alex that he's lost in the windy city. I said, hey bitch, where you at?
I don't know where the fuck I'm at.
Can you hear me? Am I breaking up?
I can't hear it. Are you freaking out?
Get over here, let's party.
I just wanna party.
Grab my purse, get a ride, and I'll meet you outside. Hey bitch, where you at?
I don't know where the fuck I'm at.
Can you hear me? Am I breaking up?
I can't hear it. Are you freaking out?
Get over here, let's party.
I just wanna party.
Grab my purse, get a ride, and I'll meet you outside.
Sounds like a twink. I have the voice of a tornado. I have a valley girl.
Smells like sex, triple X. I'm hopping clubs, one to the next. I'm loaded, gone, paid for good. Pulling more dick than I know I should. I want the hardest wood. I'm cruising trade, sipping on vodka lemonade. I'm getting laid. Alright, bikini top, see through real tight.
I'm walking through Boys Town, but I can't find a bottom. I see some skinny twinks out here, but I don't want to top them. And I can't find Aisha, cause she's probably sucking dick. Bitch, pick up your goddamn phone, you're gonna make me sick.
Hey bitch, where you at?
I don't know where the fuck I'm at.
Can you hear me? Am I breaking up?
I can't hear it. Are you freaking out?
Get over here, let's party.
I just wanna party.
Grab my purse, get a ride, and I'll meet you outside. Hey bitch, where you at?
I don't know where the fuck I'm at.
Can you hear me? Am I breaking up?
I can't hear it. Are you freaking out?
Get over here, let's party.
I just wanna party.
Grab my purse, get a ride, and I'll meet you outside. Yeah, Aisha and Alex, fuck me till I die.
I'm stereotypically gay. I have my desire.